जब एक टीजर का इतना ज्यादा बज़ क्रिएट हो जाता है, एज अ फिल्म मेकर व्हाट डज इट टेल यू?
फरीदुन, लकीली ऊपर वाले का अभी तक ये कर्म रहा है कि जो भी काम हम लोगों ने किया है वो कहीं ना कहीं बस तो क्रिएट कर ही देता है।
The whole stellar cast most excited about Ali's OTT debut.
जितने पॉलिटिकल एक शेक्सपियर के प्ले होते हैं उतना ही पॉलिटिकल तांडव है।
Ali and Himanshu, welcome on Bollywood Hangama.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
And happy new year to both of you.
आपको भी।
अली, आप काफी टाइम से आप फिल्में बना रहे हैं एंड सैफ टोल्ड मी कि आप सेशन में भी थे आप। आई थिंक यू आर एन असिस्टेंट और समथिंग। जब एक टीजर का इतना ज्यादा बज़ क्रिएट हो जाता है, एज अ फिल्म मेकर व्हाट डज इट टेल यू?
आई डोंट नो फरीदुन, लकीली ऊपर वाले का अभी तक ये कर्म रहा है कि जो भी छोटा काम हम लोगों ने किया है वो कहीं ना कहीं बस तो क्रिएट कर ही देता है। चाहे पहले के जो भी हमने फिल्में बनाई हो, बट आई थिंक मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये लगता है कि जो कहानी हम कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर एक इनहेरेंट मास अपील है। तो वो मास अपील कहीं ना कहीं जाके ऑडियंस तक पहुंचती है। लाइक हाउ देयर इज अ लाइन इन द ट्रेलर ना कि इस देश को सिर्फ एक ही चीज चलाती है, राजनीति। तो अगर आप इस देश में हैं तो राजनीति से बिना छुए नहीं रह सकते, मतलब चाहे आप उससे डायरेक्टली इन टच हो चाहे इनडायरेक्टली इन टच हो। और इवन आई हैड नो आइडिया दैट this is would be the response of the teaser, you know. Also the thing is, I don't think so OTT platforms do teasers. Teaser is a very big screen cinema way of putting stuff out. So when we were discussing it with Amazon, and because they've seen the entire show, they came up with an idea that we should definitely try and cut a teaser of a show like this. So Himanshu and I kind of came about how should we actually project the show before it goes to an audience, and this teaser came out of that. And we were both in Delhi, we were not even in Bombay when this teaser came out. And I was shooting that day, whole day, and I could only see Himanshu standing on one side in the set and just smiling, reading social media. So I only gauged it from his reaction that कहीं ना कहीं तीर सही जगह जाके लगा है. So now we are hoping, now trailer is about to come, अब थोड़ी और कहानी खुलेगी तो पता चलेगी कि क्या असलियत है.
No, definitely. I think वो तीर जो है definitely निशाने पे लग चुका है, इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. और so Himanshu, you guys are having a wonderful star cast together. Like, how did you pull it off in just getting all of them together? Dimple Kapadia is making her OTT debut.
Yeah, I just feel that everything that you do now in nowadays, especially, it all boils down to text and the world that you're creating. And I just feel that the whole stellar cast that is there together right now is all they're most excited about Ali's OTT debut and what the world that he's trying to create. And because this world is something that he's lived in and इतने अच्छे से महसूस किया, तो he was able to convince wherever we went, and fortunately for us, wherever we went, I mean, again, like God's grace, we've never had anybody saying ki yaar, this is not resonating. So I'm glad that Ali, whatever that he was curating, it was instantly resonating with everybody, and everything just fell in place. So I just feel that it all boils down from what a maker has to say and how honestly is actors watching them, कैसे वो कर पा रहे हैं. So it just fell in place.
It all just fell in place. Okay, so I think a dream star cast. You're having some, and the interesting part is that quite a few of the actors, they become so relevant because they're having a certain social voice as well. Like you have people like Zishan Ayyub, for example, Kritika Kamra, Gauhar Khan is there as well.
Yeah.
So Gauhar Khan, for example. So these people, they are known to regularly express themselves openly on social media, and they have a certain presence as well. And when you see those faces, it definitely makes it so interesting. And Saif, of course, he is, चाहे वो चाहें या ना चाहें, वो constantly वो news में रहते हैं. कुछ भी वो कहते हैं उसको आजकल तो मिसकंस्ट्रू कर दिया था, but I think that's also a sign of stardom, because after Tanaji he has become this huge star. How do you look at this topicality of the subject vis-a-vis uh, quite a few of your stars who are having this very strong presence? Dimple Kapadia is fresh out of Tenet. There was also, she played a very interesting and manipulative character, and suddenly when you look at her in Tandav teaser, it's very interesting to look at her as well. So Ani, कैसे आप कैसे देखते हैं इस चीज़ को?
Farid, somewhere or the other, as a storyteller, as a filmmaker, as a या कोई भी आप कंटेंट अगर छूते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये लगता है कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि जो भी आसपास आपके घट रहा है आप कहीं ना कहीं उसे अपने काम में लेके आए. बट आई जस्ट फील दैट किसी भी कंटेंट का सबसे पहला काम है कि वो आपको एंटरटेन करे, यू नो. तो अब आप अगर उस एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ दो बातें बोल के चले जाएं तो वो आपकी सिर्फ और सिर्फ जीत है. मुझे लगता है जो हमने शो बनाया है वो टॉपिकल है, लेकिन व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट इज बेसिकली द वे politics in totality is, you know, it's a political show. Now whether this political show is set in the time of Chanakya, whether it's set in the time of Stalin, you know, maybe Roosevelt, maybe any big leader in any part of the world, there will be a certain way a politics will work within a system. Sometime it will prefer certain people, sometime it will objectify certain people, sometime it will exploit certain people, and sometime it will help certain people. That is the basic crux of politics, and that is why you know, it is used so commonly कि अरे यार politics कर रहा है यार, you know, it's become like a second jargon, or maybe to use the word politics as a so-called, I would say, a derogatory word. But there is nothing wrong within being political, you know. The idea is that if you have to govern a country, if you have to govern a society, if you have to govern a school, if you have to govern, there has to be an ideology. There has to be a certain way you look how you will formulate a governance within a system. Now, what happens when there is a certain vision to that governance, when there is a certain ideology to that governance, and that is why, irrespective of the fact, it will be topical, you know, whatever the story, it will be topical, because कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ हम सुनते हैं किसी भी दायरे में, चाहे आज सुने, चाहे आज से 10 साल पहले सुने, 20 साल पहले सुने, 200 साल पहले सुने, कहीं ना कहीं एक आदमी होता है जिसका ऑपरेशन हो रहा होता है, एक आदमी होता है जो ऑपरेस कर रहा होता है, एक आदमी होता है जो लड़ रहा होता है, एक आदमी होता है जो जीत रहा होता है, एक आदमी होता है जो हार रहा होता है. और इन सब कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज को जब आप एक दायरे के अंदर लेके आते हैं, वो चीज पॉलिटिकल हो जाती है. तो हमने जो कहानी रची है वो एक्चुअली इस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के बारे में, एंड टू द फैक्ट दैट आप कभी भी ये नहीं कह सकते कि यार आई एम एन एपॉलिटिकल पर्सन. Even if you are an apolitical person, you are taking a political stand of not
Absolutely.
standing anywhere.
Not.
So the idea is that because it is happening around us, we should be aware of what is happening, you know. So बहुत से लोगों के बहुत से क्राइटेरियाज हैं, बहुत से you know लोगों ने अपनी उसको लेके तारे निकाली टीजर के बाद भी, या you know when we were making this show. But the idea of this show is that politics and power corrupts. That's the basic essence of the show. Okay. And in that essence, how dramatic the characters are. I mean, you know, I mostly, if I have to draw the most common thread to the show, it's a very Shakespearean text. You know, if you pick up an Othello, if you pick up Macbeth, they're all political shows, you know, and political plays. So, जितने political एक शेक्सपियर के प्ले होते हैं, उतना ही political तांडव है. That is the common you know ground I can pull this show closest to.
In fact, you've known Kabir Khan very closely, so he told me that when two people are sitting together, there is politics in that as well. So to say that, that is, I think, too often we are told that don't discuss politics and all those things.